How's it going, YouTube? It's Aaron here in another video about Facebook ads, but in this video, I'm going to go over 5 social media marketing tips and tricks for small business marketing. So with these tips and tricks that I'm about to give you, they're going to set for you a great foundation for your Facebook ad to skyrocket and soar all the way up to the moon, so you can get a huge positive ROI and leads coming into your business every single day. Let's get started. So before I get into it, I just want to remind you to join the Smart Marketing Goon Gang and to hit the subscribe button and hit like on this video as well. This encourages me to bring relevant Facebook ad information for you guys, so that way you stay up to date, whether you're a digital marketer running ads for other local businesses or your local business yourself running ads to get more revenue for your business. So these 5 tips I'm going to give you are going to help improve either the current ad you're running, or they're going to help you get into the mindset of social media marketing strategy, so that way you know what to do, you know what to look for, and you know what to aim for when you're running your digital marketing strategy. Because if you don't know what you're doing, that is the quickest way to fail with digital marketing, and then you're going to be one of those people like,
oh, Facebook ads don't work. Oh, digital marketing ads don't work. I'm not gonna do them again. Let me just go to expensive TV ads.
Okay, with that right out of the way, let's get started with the tip. First tip I want to give you, which is very important and very crucial, is that you need to know what you want to achieve with your digital marketing strategy. So let me explain. So what exactly are you trying to achieve when you're running Facebook ads, or when you're doing Google ads, or whatever digital marketing strategy that you do, SEO, etc.? Do you want more leads for your business? Are you a service-based business? Are you a real estate agent? Are you a contractor? Are you a chiropractor? So do you want more leads for your business so you can get more customers into your door? Or do you just want more eyeballs onto your business? So for example, do you just want impressions? Do you just want the local community to know about your business? Do you want people to know the local events that are happening that you're hosting? Do you want ticket sales? Maybe you're having a special event. Maybe you're having some sort of dance competition. Do you want ticket sales for that? Or do you want to give out coupons to get more people into your door? So for example, if you're a restaurant, do you want people to know about the free dessert that you're giving and that you're having a flash sale for the next 2 days? And then people get familiar with your restaurant, and then they become lifetime customers. So with that being said, once you do know your goals, you can look at your Facebook ads and see if your Facebook ads actually achieving those goals. So for example, if your goal is to get as many leads as possible, you can look at your cost per lead. So let's say you're okay with a cost per lead of $5 and you're getting a cost per lead of $3. That's great. Don't touch the ad until the cost per lead is getting a little bit more expensive than you need to. Because even let's say your cost per lead is $3, but let's say your ad quality score is at the below average range. It doesn't really matter. You don't really need to fix it because you're getting your optimized goal. So there's no real need to change an ad that's doing below average in Facebook eyes. But if you're getting a cost per lead of $3, then your ad's doing what it needs to do. So many people, I feel, they see that they're getting their cost per lead down, but then they see that their ad's below average, and then they change up their ad, and then maybe they get the above average quality score, but now their cost per lead is $5. So with that being said, before you even run digital marketing ads, or before you even do Facebook ads in the first place, make sure you know what you want to do. Do you want more sales? Do you want more leads? Whatever you want, make sure you know that goal and use that key metric that Facebook gives you to know whether your ads are doing well or whether you need to make a change to your campaign structure. Alrighty, so the next tip I want to give you guys is to do your market research and know the pain points and desires of your customers. So many marketers, and I feel like so many new marketers, don't do this, and it's very important. If you don't know who you are selling to, then you aren't selling to anybody. I'll tell you that again. If you don't know who you are selling to, you're not gonna sell anything. For example, let's say you wanna sell something to dog owners. What are the pain points of the dog owners that your product or service alleviates? Or you can hit it at another route and say, okay, what are the benefits, not the features, the benefits the customer gets once they use your product or service. So for example, as a real estate agent, I know I always use those for examples. Let's say you want to sell them houses and stuff like that. The benefit that you give the customer is the ease of the process of selling the house. The customer that you have can not be stressed at all about having to sell their house because your service is going to handle that for them. When I say market research, I don't just mean okay, I think my customer is dealing with this, so I'm just going to assume that they're dealing with it and use it and put that in my ad. No, I'm saying go into Google, go into forums, go onto websites where your target customer hangs out and see what they talk about. See what pain points they have, what desires do they want, what outcomes do they want to be at if they use the product or service that you are offering. So this does take time and this is a lot of hard work, but if you figure this out, making the ad structure for your Facebook ad or even for your Google ads or SEO or whatever you do, it's going to be so much easier because you can speak to your audience and you know what they're feeling, and you can say that, hey, my product or service can relieve that pain. So if you want to get from point A to point B, my product or service can help you with that. Number 3 in the social media marketing tips and tricks is to use video ads. So I talk about the advantages of using video ads versus image ads in one of my videos. I'll probably have an iCard up on the screen right now, but video ads definitely are the winner when it comes to that. That's because video ads are a lot more engaging and you can say a lot in 5 seconds than what an image ad can tell someone in 5 minutes. So for example, with the video ads, you can show a behind the scenes look of, let's say you're a restaurant owner, you can show the behind the scenes look of what goes on to the kitchen when you're cooking your most famous meal. Or let's say you're a real estate agent, you can provide value as well. So you can make a video saying, okay, here are the top 3 tips that will help you sell your home in 24 days or less. And think of it this way, you're watching me on video right now. You're engaging with me from wherever you are in the world. And I can give you so much more valuable content in a short video or even a long video like this than I can if I was just to post a single image with some copy on the top. So if you can, definitely consider video ads, and they don't have to be, you know, high quality Avengers Endgames type of movies. They could be simple video ads that you take on your phone. Like right now, I'm filming this video on my phone right now, and most phone cameras have like 4K Ultra HD kind of stuff. So the quality of your video is already gonna look top notch. And also for audio, I would recommend getting a mic because your phone's mic quality might not be as good. And mics can usually run around like $20 on Amazon. I'll most likely include a link in the description below for the mic that I use, which is a nice lavalier mic. And it's really awesome because you can literally just plug it in and it records your voice in a nice HD sound so that people can understand you. Because the worst thing you can have in a video is
bad audio quality.
So yeah, definitely consider video ads if you can. They don't have to be long videos. They can be 15 or 30-second videos as well. You don't have to put a lot of effort in it, but video ads do so well and the results speak for themselves. So number 4, if you're just starting out with digital marketing and you have no idea where to start, I would highly recommend you get started with Facebook ads at first. But you do want to go to the right platform depending on where your audience hangs out. So this channel revolves a lot around Facebook ads and ManyChat messenger bots, but there are other platforms you can use as well. So you can use Google ads. So if people constantly search for your product or service, if your product or service is more for professional business owners, you can use LinkedIn. If your product or service fits more with the younger demographic, and it's more visual as well, definitely focus more on Instagram, which you have to use Facebook for, so you might as well just do Facebook as well. But the great part about Facebook ads is that all those people are on Facebook, especially with Facebook having 2 billion users. Your audience is on Facebook. So if you haven't already, get started with Facebook ads. And whether you learn it from me on my channel, I have a lot of videos with up-to-date content of Facebook ads, or you want to learn it from any other channel or any other course, you should definitely learn as much about Facebook ads as possible, because they are the most profitable thing when it comes to digital marketing. Okay, and the last tip I want to give you guys is to have relevant ads that speak to your audience. So for example, I'll go with dogs again. You don't want to have an ad about dog toys and show it to cat owners. So you want to make sure, again, that you know your audience well and that you can speak to them, in their language. If they use specific terms, your audience, use those specific terms in your Facebook ads. Show that you know the customer and that you know how they feel and that you know the struggles that they go through. That way you can go ahead and be like, hey, my product or service that my local business has can help alleviate that problem for you. And then Facebook's also going to reward you if you do have relevant ads, because relevant ads are more engaging and people are more likely to like, comment, and share and click on that ad. And then once they do that, Facebook's gonna show your ad to more people for a lot cheaper because Facebook loves good ads. Let me tell you, they really like relevant ads to the target market. Okay, so this is the last bonus tip I wanna give you guys, and that is to make sure to subscribe to this channel to learn everything you need to know about digital marketing and about Facebook ads in general. So I know this is kind of a shameless plug, but I do offer videos that talk about Facebook ads and that talk about Facebook ad strategies, copywriting tips, etc., etc. So by subscribing, you stay up to date on all the current knowledge on what's working and what's not working on Facebook. But whether you do learn it from me or you learn it from somewhere else, again, please get started with Facebook ads. Those are 5 social media marketing tips and tricks for small business marketing. So be sure to click on the video I have right up there that's gonna talk about 10 copywriting tips that are going to skyrocket and revolutionize your ads. So that way, when your customer sees the ad, they're definitely gonna click and buy. I'll see you guys in that video.